Ever wondered how to make a 3D avatar that talks just like you? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create your own animated talking avatar. No experience needed. Let's get started. Okay, to get started, the first thing you need is to get a prompt. Like, you need a prompt for you in order for you to create your character. The character you're going to use for the video, you need a character. Okay, so to get a good character, you need a prompt. So I'll be pasting this prompt in the description of this video so that you'll be able to copy this prompt and personalize it to your own information. Okay, so after getting the prompt, you have to head over to Gemini. Okay, just type in your browser gemini.google.com and paste in the prompt there. Personalize the prompt. You can add your channel name, your business name. Okay, after personalizing the prompt, then you head over to Gemini and just paste there and look at what it has generated for us. Okay, the Creative Susan's YouTube studio, everything is coming out well, and it's also a studio background. You can see the mic and everything all well organized. Okay, so we are going to download this image now by clicking on this download button there, and you can see it's downloading. Okay, so let's give it some time so that it will be able to download fully. Okay, so the image has downloaded. The next thing we have to do is to head over to Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI is an app, so if you don't have the app, you just have to go to Google Play Store. Then after downloading the app, you just sign up with your Gmail address. Okay, so after getting the app, this is how the interface looks like. Then you now click on this first option here. I'm trying to highlight it, that says image to video. You tap on it, new creation. Okay, because I want to start a new one. Then you click to upload image, click on album. Then I'm going to tap on the image we just generated from Gemini now. So it's actually uploading. Okay, so after the image has uploaded, the next thing you have to do is to type in like a prompt, what you expect the image to be doing in the video that it's going to generate for us. So here I typed character talking and moving both hands, looking directly at the camera. So that is what I expect from this, and that's so. Then this place the row 25, just click on there. Okay, so it's going to start creating now. Okay, as you can see, you see other projects that I've worked on before. That's those ones that are showing here. So let's give it some time to generate, and after some few minutes or seconds after it has finished generating, then we'll continue with the video. It's ready, so let's see how it looks like. Wow, can you see this? So our image has started talking and moving hands. Can you just see this? Okay, so exactly the prompts I gave it, that's exactly what came out as well. So to download this, you see this download button here, just tap on it and you get these two options, with watermark, without watermark. So if you want to download without watermark, you have to upgrade. So if you don't want to download, so what we have to do is to download with watermark. Okay, so download successful. So let's move over to the next thing we have to do. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is to head over to InShot, click on video, click on new, and the image we just got from Hailuo AI, just have to click on it. So we are trying to remove the watermark now. So InShot watermark is also there as well. So I have to play a free ad to remove the InShot watermark. So it's just loading now. All right, so the InShot watermark has been removed. So the next one, we can still see that the Hailuo AI is still there. So what we have to do is to click on sticker. Okay, you click on text. You can just add the subscribe button there just to cover it up, because I tried using watermarks remover and it's really delaying. You know, sometimes you want to make a video and it's really delaying you. Okay, so you can as well do this, or you browse just watermark remover. Okay, so what you can do is either you use this sticker to cover up the watermark, or you go to video watermark remover, just browse it online and many of the options will come up and you upload this video there if you don't want to use this simple method I just did now. So you can just see now, the watermark has been removed. This is another way you can do that. Okay, then you can export as many videos as you want and add it up here. And if you want a voiceover, like you want to make add a voiceover to this, so that you can tap on audio, you see record here, you record and add your voiceover. Okay, so I also have another app that can have like same girl lip sync this particular video, and that's called let me show you the app, so that in case you don't want to use voiceover, you can just go and download Dreamface. This particular app I'm highlighting now is called Dreamface. It can lip sync your videos, like make the AI, like the image, talk like you. So I'm going to do a separate tutorial on this very one. Okay, so hope you got value from this video, and if you do, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.